Hi, my name is Hope and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make the half double crochet stitch. To begin, you will need some yarn and the correct size crochet hook. For this yarn, I will be using the 5mm hook. To begin, pull out some yarn and make your slip stitch. Next, I will make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, I'm going to be putting my hook into the second chain from the hook, which would be your 7th chain that you crocheted. But before I do that, I'm going to yarn over. And with that second loop on my hook, now I'm going to be putting my hook through that chain. I'll be yarning over again and pulling that loop through that chain. I now have 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook. Yarn over and pull that yarn through all 3 of those chains. And here is our first half double crochet. Yarn over, put your hook through the next chain, yarn over, and pull through that loop. With the 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull your yarn through all 3 of those loops. Now in the beginning, you might not be able to pull through all 3 smoothly. And even now there are some yarns that actually make it hard to do. So that is okay if you have to pull through one at a time. So I will show you how to do that right now. So yarn over, put your hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull through that chain, yarn over. So pull through one, pull through the next, and pull through the last. Yarn over, put your hook through, pull that yarn through, and then pull through all 3 of the loops. Continue doing this to the very end of the row. Sometimes it's actually easy when you're pulling through the first through easily, and then you just have to go into the very last one again. So now we have completed our first half double crochet chain row, and we can count our half double crochets, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. To make our next row, we're going to chain 1 and slightly pull up. Turn our work, yarn over, and put our hook into that first chain. Yarn over, pull through. Oh. Yarn over and pull through all 3. So as you just saw, my hook got stuck in between the strands of the yarn. That happens, and that's okay. Just take out your hook and redo it. Yarn over, put your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all three. Continue on to the end of the row. Here we are at the end of the row, and we have one more half double crochet to do. So you're looking at this and it looks quite different from all the other stitches that we were doing. But all you have to do is slightly turn and you will see this V, and that is basically where you're going to need to put your hook through. So yarn over, and if you need to see easily, just turn, put your hook through that first loop and then into that second one. Yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all three. And here we just have made 2 rows of half double crochets. On to the next row. Chain 1, slightly pull up, not too much, turn your work, yarn over, put your hook into that very first chain, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Continue doing this to the end of the row. And here we have 3 rows of half double crochets. Let's go on to the 4th row. Chain 1, pull up, turn your work, yarn over, put your hook through the first chain, pull through, yarn over, and then pull through all 3 loops. Now let's do one more row. Chain 1, pull up, turn, yarn over, yarn over, and pull through. As you continue to practice your basic chains, you will get faster and you will be able to do longer chains really quickly. Alright, so let us count our rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's tie off. Chain 1, cut off the yarn, pull that yarn out, and pull to tighten. And here we have our half double crochet square. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one where I will show you how to make the double crochet stitch. Thanks for watching. Bye.